Open your online store and welcome the world. Build, promote and start selling from a secure online store backed by the powerful tools of WooCommerce and YITH. Bluehost rated as a top-tier WordPress provider for site speed and perfect uptime. Start selling with confidence. Set your online store up for success with the perfect mix of WooCommerce tools, YITH plugins, and professional guidance. Perfect for selling products and services online, booking appointments and reservations. Perfect for selling products and services online plus selling across marketplaces like Etsy, Amazon, eBay, and more. Store creation. Do more with your store. With a guided online store creation process, you can start selling anything, anywhere. Our simple setup wizard allows you to build your site with the exclusive Wonder theme powered by YITH. Wonder Cart. WordPress store promos. In seconds. Let customers find more products they love without leaving their carts. Offer special promotions directly in checkout. 1. Buy one, get one free. 2. Frequently bought together. 3. And many more. Customized customer accounts. Design account pages your way. Customize the My Account section of your website to give your customers a personalized and unique experience when they log in. Boost customer retention and return visitors by creating promotions, coupons, order tracking, and more, all within the customer's account. Wish lists. See what customers love. Allow your customers to create lists of products they want and share them with family and friends. Great for boosting brand awareness and helping you manage your inventory. Bookings and appointments. Make scheduling easy. Manage rentals, travel bookings, Airbnb stays, hourly sessions, and more. Sync to your Google Calendar and automatically update customers. Gift cards. Give the gift of savings. Give the gift of gifting to your customers. 98% of all online stores offer gift cards for products and services. Easily create custom virtual gift cards for your customers to send to friends and family. Compare online store plans. Online store plus marketplace. Pro services. Web design without the stress. No time to design your site. Our experts can help. You can create with us, or let us handle everything for you. Either way, we'll eliminate the stressful aspects of building a brand online. Boost your WordPress website speed. 1. Improve load times for your website with Cloudflare CDN. 2. Return web pages faster with server-level caching. 3. Faster response times, average 18 milliseconds captured by the load storm. Expert support.